Ah, your mulberry.
I hope you have such a nice day as we are, and this video maybe brightens up your day a little bit.
Yay! Popo, baby Adam.
Yeah.
Yay! Do you like it? Ha? Marunong na siya guys. Tusok niya dito para malaman niya kung ano. So, okay, dalaga na si Ate Ella natin. Namimili na ng mga colorete sa kanyang ano. Nanay, tignan mo.
I love you, love you.
Banana for the morning breakfast. Good morning po.
Good morning in the morning. Today we're making the last preparations because Ella wants to go to school.
Today is the orientation. It's only for
Yeah.
you, I think, or for us as a parent. Asawa ko.
I have no idea.
Ella, you're excited na to go to school? What's that? Ah,
Pom-pom.
this is a free from the...
Freebie from the...
What is it? Hat from the hat. Ang ganda.
Pom-pom.
Pom-pom. Timmy, fish pom. Guten Morgen.
At the pom-pom.
Pom-pom. Oh, sit down na dito. Sit down para makakain na kayo. Okay, maaga tayo aalis. Ito yung kanilang breakfast ngayon. Usually, pag umuwi sila ng Pilipinas, ito yung kanilang breakfast. No? Or ayan, pinipreparean ko sila ng yogurt. Ito may flavor to. Vanilla. Tapos yung kanilang oatmeal. Tapos gatas. So, para hindi nila ma-miss yung kanilang usual na breakfast sa Germany. You want this one with peanut butter or the peanut butter? Okay. To, dami. Saglit lang po tayong plato.
Ella, you want the muesli also or only toast? Only toast. No morning in the Philippines. We're eating now our breakfast. And later we will go to the school, and I was really surprised because here kindergarten is definitely different than in Germany. In Germany you go to kindergarten from age 3 maybe, sometimes earlier also, age 2, or you can even go from age 1, but it's a little bit early, it's more like a daycare then. And in general it's more like playing and socializing, and in the last year before school you can have a preparation, but that's also a little bit different
Mama, vielleicht
from...
wenn da so dreckig ist, dann müssen wir den abwaschen.
Yeah, that's can be
Ew.
we can wash Adam when he's getting dirty from his banana. That's also depending...
Hat nur die Banane.
Ja, ich gebe dir noch mal was. How much exactly you learn before school in the preschool, in the kindergarten, depends a little bit on the kindergarten, so there's no standard. But here now I said I want Ella to also socialize a little bit and get to know a little bit life outside of our family, and said, oh, let's put her into kindergarten. But then I got super surprised because here they said, oh, she will be in kindergarten 2 already at the age of 5, and then does she learn? Does she know already all the letters and numbers? Does she know how to read already? Because all the other kids in kinder 2 know it already, and I was like, what?
Pitasan ko muna sila ng kanilang mulberry para sa kanilang breakfast. Maaga pa, kaya marami pa tayong bunga. Pero mamaya niyan, ubos na yan sa kanila. Sa taas. Tago. Ihalo sa kanilang muesli or papakin nila. Ito masarap yung medyo maniba-niba kasi maasim-asim. Yun. Wow. Ito, mababa lang. Abot kamay mo lang talaga. Yan. Kumulay na yung aking kamay. Sandali na sa kanila. Here we go. Your mulberry.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome. What you will say, Timmy?
Thank you.
You want me to put it there in your thingy?
No here.
No, dear. Okay. I will wash it first, okay? Adam also eating mulberry. Ngayon kumulay na agad yung labi mo, ha? Masarap. Healthy, no? No chemicals.
Okay, go.
Really super 100% organic. I know. Huh? So mamaya kailangan namin pumunta ng ng Photoshop para kay Ella sa kanyang ID picture. Right, asawa ko?
Yes, po.
And then diretso na kami ng school para sa orientation. Yun yung gustong-gusto ni Annie, sumama para makinig daw siya. Oh, what is that? Oh, lang, mahaba. Yummy.
I had.
And also your mama, you eat also?
Yes,
Adam said, thank you, mama.
Yeah, welcome.
Our appointment is 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
So, mamaya konti after nila mag-breakfast ay go na kami para magpa-picture. And punta na rin kami ng school kasi excited na yan. Mas excited si Annie kaysa sa akin eh.
Yeah,
Kaysa
because
kay Ella.
for me, everything is even more new because I only know the German side of the preschool and kindergarten.
Yeah, that's why you're excited.
Yes. The difference is very interesting for me, so I'm more excited, I think.
So now, first appointment.
Yeah, first appointment, going to make an ID picture. Everybody ate and it's done, so let's go. Ooh, what a very beautiful day and such green everywhere. I hope you have such a nice day as we are, and this video maybe brightens up your day a little bit. But in front of us we have a very long line, so we're now enjoying really and driving really slow.
Oh, baby Adam. I think baby Adam wanted to.
Yeah, he's very tired. He's already up since 6 o'clock.
Oh, 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, or maybe 6:15, but
6:15.
yeah, something like that.
Very early.
Yes.
Ah,
Timmy saw some goats here.
Where? There's the Marines.
Marines have goats.
Yeah, they have goats. They have livestock there. I think so. Like,
Okay.
maybe cow also.
Okay. But now we will look for the Photoshop, right? For
Yeah,
Emma.
Photoshop. First activity today, Photoshop.
Mhm.
And then afterwards, we will go to the school.
Yes. Fällt herab ein Träumlein, schlaf in dem Schlaf herab ein Träumlein, schlaf in dem Schlaf.
ID, take a picture.
So ID picture is done, and now Ella and Timmy are looking at Ella's picture. I'm not allowed to look.
Sorry, Mama.
But Papa said it's very, Archie said it's very cute.
It's really hard to take a picture to our children, guys.
Yeah, they don't like
Camera
pictures.
shy.
Don't like pictures. Sometimes they do, but sometimes they don't. Daddy.
Okay.
I'm allowed to look.
Look at this.
Oh, very cute. Now Ella has her picture back, and now we are heading to the school. And I think it will be very busy today because we're have the orientation day. I actually don't know what that means in the Philippines, but I will find out. And I think Ella will get to know a little bit of the rooms and the teachers, or we will get to know. I don't know. Archie said it's more for the adults, for the parents. And the children are starting next week, the real real kindergarten or real school, right?
Yeah, on Monday.
Yes. But I'm very excited to have the orientation day now. Here's a little bit traffic, but that's no problem because the school is quite near. Only 200 meters more
Mama, I feel
here around the corner. So very nice, very near. And Timmy and Ella are already craving for ice cream.
Mama, du darfst ein klein.
Here's the school already. It's a Montessori school, which I also know from Germany a little bit, only by name. But they're very nice, I think, and same here.
We wanted to go down in the car already, but Timmy is an emergency pupo.
Yeah. So we have to wait a little bit longer.
Ito lang yung school guys ni Ella. Ito yung magiging school niya. Ayan, yung ating SBM. Kami andyan tayo pupunta.
So Timmy is done. Ella, you need to shortly go in the back, and Timmy
Yeah.
comes to the front so I can change the diaper.
Have a look.
What is it?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, good job Ella.
Now Ella is enrolled already. Very nice. And now we're only looking for the uniforms. Very excited. Ella will look very, I don't know, very palang when you already.
Gustong gusto kinakarga ni Ella si Baby Adam kasi, no? Ayan siya. Malambing siya sa kanyang kapatid. Kaya nag-picture si Annie. Kayang-kaya niya na si Baby Adam.
We are right now done with all the enrollment and everything, and we also bought Ella's uniform. It's very cute, and, and now I think they took like 1 hour or more.
Papa,
I don't know, the children had to wait very long, and now everybody's hungry, and yeah, Ella and Timmy are looking for ice cream because that's what they love, like all children. But first we will eat something, and then I think we'll ice cream.
Yay! Popo, Baby Adam!
Yeah,
Yay!
we wanted to go already.
Napopo at si
but-
Mama, buti lang may dala kaming wet wipes. Ikaw talaga, pinagpupo. Ang dami siguro nakain, kaya nagpupo yun eh. Ang dami nakain yan. So, linis mo na Mama, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
I need a diaper from the back.
So, diaper, no problem.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Diaper muna tayo. So, emergency diaper. There we go.
Thank you.
Come, let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go. Ella is very excited now.
So, nandito kami sa SM, guys. Dito muna kami kakain ng lunchtime. Tapos, mamimili na rin ng sapatos at konting gamit ni Ella. Tsaka ni Baby Timmy. Ah! Baby pa ba yung Timmy na yan? O the... Ano na yan? Kuya na talaga yan. Lakas ng trip mo, Ella. Welcome na, come. Here, 2, 6. Ha?
Masarap ang hangin.
Ang sarap ng hangin na. Come, Ella. Grabe yung saya niyo. Kanina pa yan siya sa school. Come, come, come. Mama, wait for us! God, grabe yung pogi ni Timmy. Look at Timmy! Hoy!
Papa, where's my shoe?
I think it's in the house.
Could be in the
Yeah.
house or something, somewhere hidden.
Papa, oh, I never
But we will go inside now.
Yeah, we
you
will go
don't need
inside
it.
now. It's okay.
Now they will share the glasses.
Oh, come, come, come. Hawak kay Papa.
Papa, get another bread.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you, Kuya Timmy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jollibee or this one?
I don't know why you even asked.
She's the boss at the moment. And so what to do? Come, let's go.
But I could have told you the answer, Ella's answer to this question.
There, balloon.
A balloon? Ah, yeah. A root and vice balloon, yeah? You look like a tourist. So.
I also still feel like a tourist. We're not so long here yet.
Ever since you came into my life, it felt so good, it felt so right. You bring the sun on cloudy days, all the birds sing your praise. Do 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 do. It's your face, your laugh, the way you hear music and the way you dance, but it's your soul that sings to me. I'm here to hold your heart. It's the sweetest gift that I will not drop, and I promise to always stay true.
What you will say to Mama and Papa?
Thank you.
Welcome! Yay! Okay. O, solve na ha. Solve na ha. May panlaban na ulit ha.
Yes.
Kanina hindi mapintay mo ka ni Ella eh. So now, let's go to the department store para maghanap ng kanyang sapatos. Ay! Where are you going? Taos tayo. Taos.
I go in the wrong direction.
Naiwan kami. Iniwan yung kami. My goodness. Parang kiti-kiti yung dalawa. They're like a mosquito thingy.
Mosquito thing.
Yeah. We call it.
Best mosquito friend.
We call it kiti-kiti. There.
Get this little guy.
Ah, so, okay. Thank you. Ay, no, kay Mama ka muna ngayon. Gusto ni Mama kargahin siya. Namimiss na daw ni Ani kargahin siya.
Yeah, I hope
Ay,
you
dito.
fall asleep.
Ah, mahal pa pa. Oh. Oh, yun. Do you like it? Ha? Marunong na siya guys. Tusok niya dito para malaman niya kung ano. Do you like it?
Ich glaube, die passen.
Ja, machen wir deinen Zeh nach oben? Ja, da ist genug Spannung.
This one is nice.
Ja, I think so.
Die passen.
Ja?
So shoes is done. Tapos na. Medyas.
Medium.
You know medyas?
Yeah, socks.
Yeah, it's just.
Papa, where's my baby?
You're also in the
It's
auto.
sleeping in the car.
Yeah, no, it's okay. No problem.
It's a little bit unfair that
Yeah,
men
this-
have more comfortable shoes than women.
Timmy, what are you doing? Para kang aso nag-ikot-ikot yan bago maghiga. Timmy, that is wrong. Other side eh. Yeah, other side. It's okay, Kuya Timmy. Bakit nagdala-dalawa na yung sombrero mo? Oroy, nagugutom na. Mamaya po dididi yan. Timmy. Talaga. Hey, Ella. Saan mo dadalhin si Baby Adam? Come here. Hello, Baby Adam. Ito talaga, Ate Ella. Mahilig mo talagang buhatin si Baby Adam, ha? Gustong-gusto ko talaga ni Ate Ella mo, Adam, no? Buhatin?
I think really fitting to the uniform.
Okay. So, ay, dalaga na si Ate Ella natin. Namimili na ng mga kolorete sa kanyang ano, oh. Ang ganda nito, maganda. Timmy, hindi is para sa iyo, Timmy, ha? That is not for you, okay? So, meron tayong hairband. Hairband, this one called hairband, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And then hairpin.
Yes.
Ay! Tapos na tayo? Okay, sana sila?
They went back to the backpacks.
Backpacks.
Yeah, to Sky.
Ayun, ang dalawa. Hoy, nakabili na kayo ng bag. Oh, this one is really nice. Yeah, super nice. Asawa
This
ko,
one
oh.
is for school elevator. We are not yet in the first class.
Ah, okay, the grade one.
Die Klasse kommen am nächsten.
When she's coming into the first class in first grade 1, then she wants this one.
Kasper Philippines.
Yan yung gusto ko kay Ella. Once na sinabi ni mama niya na pa, ganito lang. Okay naman siya. So, tara na. Magdadalawang oras na tayo, Timmy. Come, let's go. Oh, may nakita ka pa ulit. Sabi ni mama, pag grade 1 muna daw, Ate Ella. Okay? Yeah? Yeah, may wheels yan. Maganda, oh. Pero ngayon, sa maliit ka na lang muna. Yeah? Okay. Don't worry, we will buy this one. Kuya Timmy, look. Look at the Ella, oh. Ang ganda, di ba? Soon, ikaw naman, okay? Wow! Ready na si Ate Ella natin, guys. Bilis lang ng panahon.
nanay?
Nanay
Mama
is in
is
the church.
And
Oh,
still in
gusto
the
niya
church.
ipakita kay
Later
nanay.
you can show.
Super cute. Happy?
Yes, super nice. And it's so, for me, very unusual to see this uniform. And
Yeah, me
Ella's
too.
super cute in it.
Aso, ang team natin nagre-request ng bayabas. There, oh, meron kasi mga hinog. Oh. Okay, kukuha ako saglit lang, ha? Get your sleeper first. Helpin Papa.
Up there also more.
Yeah, there is more. There, ang lalaki guys. So. Here we go, Timmy. Catchin mo ha. Pag hindi mo na catch, hugasan lang natin. Timmy, catch. Look here. What? Why? Timmy. Mahugasan natin. Mahugasan ha. Hawakan mo ito. Hawakan. Meron pa.
Ana!
Oh no. Timmy, bantay. Yun na. Oh, ay, galing ni Papa. Here you go. Nanay, tignan mo. Wow.
Love you. Wow. I have a very huge little girl.
And
School.
look at the
Yeah.
other side. This one Ella choose also for her.
Yan o. Philippine.
Uy, naku. Until
Nanay came back from the church. And katikis ang ating nanay. I think we need to say goodbye now.
Yes. See you in our next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.
thank
Yeah.
you, Lord,
Bye-bye.
for blessings. Thank you for your blessing to our family.
Yeah.
Archie, Annie, and mwah, the cute baby Adam,
Adam.
Ella, and Timmy. Bless us, oh Lord.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you so much.